Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to deposit money to your Payoneer account. So let's get started. So here we will just open here our Payoneer. Okay. So if you go and search for Payoneer, just open it. Okay. So here you will just sign in into your account. Okay. Then here we'll just click your password. So when you sign in, just open it. So here it will request for an OTP, give them. So here you can just go, you can, first of all you have to verify yourself. Okay, so when you will just verify, then you can just open here. So to deposit the money, you can just go, you can see your balance detail or account detail. So you can just receive your detail, and from there you can transfer your money through your bank account. So if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.